Most riders are throwing away 3 to 5 watts of free speed, simply because they still pump their tires to 100 PSI. Welcome back to Season 3. Want to transform your bike for under $100? Look at your tires. The Pro Peloton abandoned 23C years ago, standardizing on 28C to 30C. Here is the part most people miss. Wider tires are actually faster. A 28C tire has a shorter, wider contact patch than a 25C tire, meaning lower rolling resistance. Switching from 25C at 100 PSI to 28C at 75 PSI saves you up to 5 watts at 30 km/h. So, what width should you run in 2026? For road racing, 28C is the absolute standard. Reserve 25C strictly for time trials on perfectly smooth roads. If you're doing long endurance rides or grand fondos, step up to 30 or 32C. The extra volume severely reduces body fatigue. For high-performance road use, you have 2 clear winners this year. The Continental GP 5000 ST R at $65 sets the benchmark for outright speed, but the Vittoria Corsa N EXD at $55 is a brilliant alternative if you want slightly better puncture protection. When you go off-road, volume is king. For mixed terrain gravel, 38 to 42C is the sweet spot. Hitting chunky, rough gravel, go 45 to 50C. For mountain biking, standard trail riding sits at 2.3 to 2.5 inches, while enduro demands 2.5 to 2.8. In the 32 to 38C category, the Panaracer Gravel King S Plus is a steal at $50, but if budget allows, the Rene Hurst Bon John Pass at $75 offers an impossibly supple ride quality that completely changes how your bike feels. Now, none of this matters if you get the pressure wrong. This is where buyers get tricked. They think hard tires feel fast. In reality, vibration loss robs your power. A 75-kilo rider on 28C tires should be running around 70 to 80 PSI. Upgrading your tires and dropping your pressure costs about $120. It will make you tangibly faster and more comfortable than a $500 entry-level wheelset upgrade. Buy 28C if you race on tarmac. Buy 32C if you ride for hours on mixed roads. Stop overinflating, go wider, and enjoy the free speed.